guys, welcome to Taste to Explore. My name is Darlene, and today, my friends, I am so thrilled to bring you this amazing, tasty Caribbean dish. We are making jerk chicken in the oven. Now, these ingredients are my take on a jerk seasoning. I even had traveled to Jamaica, and of course everybody has their own take on it, and this right here is not authentic. One of the main focuses on the ingredients, which I'm going to show you, is freshness. Everything here is fresh and it's delicious. Now let's walk over to these delicious ingredients to get this meal started. Alright guys, so let's begin. Right here I have 5/4 chicken. The fat's been removed and I left the skin on. And after you finish cleaning this out, let me show you my seasonings. Right here I have black pepper, 1 teaspoon or according to your taste, and I also have 1 teaspoon of pimento seeds that's been grounded, which is another word for that is allspice, and I have a half a teaspoon of nutmeg, and I have just mixed it in there because I have freshly ground both of them up together. Right here I have 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Then I have some 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, light brown sugar. I have 1 tablespoon of low sodium soy sauce, and then I have 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. Now right here I have here my fresh herbs. I have here 2 scallions. We're going to use the whole thing. I have here 10 fresh thyme. I have right here, I have a small red onion. You can use white onion. I have here 1 Scotch Bonnet pepper, and I'm going to show you how I am going to be using this because I might not use the whole thing. And then I have here some fresh ginger that I have sliced up about 1 inch thick. I have 3 slices right here. You can put more or less, whatever you like. And then I have here 5 cloves of fresh garlic, and that is all you're going to need to get this started. Now let's begin. Alright guys, so now it's time to bring the magic to our ingredients together. You're going to need a food processor or a blender. Any one of them works, okay? So in no particular order, but of course I'm going to start off with the big guys. I'm going to put in the scallions in, and I wouldn't even roughly chop them because your machine will do all the work. I'm going to put the onions in, and this is delicious, guys. If you ever had jerk chicken, you know what I'm talking about. And if you never had it, you should definitely try it. It has a lot of wonderful herbs and spices. It's just a great taste of the Caribbean. I mean, it's delicious. Alright guys, so how we're going to remove the leaves from this is you either can tear it off because they're really soft and tender, so you can just break off the soft part, and with the hard stem we're just going to pull down and the leaves would just come off just like that. We're going to put in the spices. We're going to put in the oil. The soy sauce will give us some salt and a little bit of color. You know, we're going to taste our seasoning blend just to make sure it's seasoned. So you might want to adjust the salt content. You might want more. And we put a little vinegar in it just to give it a little acid in the background. Of course, you need your dry seasoning. That is where the flavor is at. And then the brown sugar just combines everything all together. It just blends in really well with the sweet. It's not going to be overly sweet, but it really does help to balance out everything. And then we are going to blend. Alright guys, our jerk seasoning is almost done, and the last important ingredient is still to follow. Now, this is all according to your taste buds. Actually, the jerk seasoning is ready. However, if you don't want it to be spicy with a lot of heat, you can skip this stuff. I mean, this is totally depending on each individual. Scotch bonnet pepper, and I cut both of the cheeks off, and I am going to put one little slice at a time to see how the heat intake is, because I really don't like foods too spicy, and where the seeds are at is where the real spice is at, but still I don't really like anything like overpowering. Okay guys, our jerk seasoning smells so good. You can smell the fresh ginger and garlic, and that's what I love about making homemade foods. You can't get these flavors in any old restaurant or in any old jar in the supermarket. You gotta make it fresh. So I'm gonna taste to see if it needs anything to it. Wow, it's right on the money. The little bit that I put there of the Scotch bonnet pepper, it's perfect. To me, you don't need any more, but it all depends on you and how spicy you like your jerk seasoning. How our jerk seasoning came out thick. It's chunky. It smells insanely good. Alright, now let's put all this in here. It makes about a cup, and with your clean hands, only with your clean hands, you get right in there. Alright, so after you finish mixing all your wonderful ingredients in here, making sure your whole chicken is coated and it looks delicious, I am going to allow this marinade, chicken and all, to marinate in the refrigerator for at least up to 1 hour minimum, but better taste is better to go overnight. It is so much better. So make this the day before and enjoy it the next day for dinner, because honestly you don't want to rush goodness like this. So after everything is all coated, I am going to cover my bowl, stick this in the refrigerator, and I'll see you when it's time to bake them. Alright guys, so my chicken has been marinating in the refrigerator for 1 hour, but preferably is better if you allow it to marinate overnight. It looks beautiful. Oops. It smells gorgeous, and I cannot wait to cook this bad boys. So right now I have some aluminum pans that I'll be using, and I'm gonna put it in my aluminum pans only because, you know, this has some sugar in it, and I don't want to mess up my really good pans, you know. So I'm just gonna put it in here. It's easy cleanup, no fuss, no muss, just like that. Alright guys, so with the leftover marinade, I'm just gonna pour some right on top, and I'm gonna preheat my oven on 300, and I'm gonna show you how this looks when this is all done. Alright guys, so welcome back. Our jerk chicken is done, and look how delicious they look. Now, this is the reason why I like to use the disposable pans, because of the sugar in the bottom tends to burn up, and if you use one of your good baking dishes, chances are you're gonna have a hard time scraping that off. So do yourself a favor and get these disposable guys. You can't go wrong with that. Look how delicious and juicy they look, and you see the little bits on top. That's what was the seasoning. And look, you know, it would have been better if I barbecued it, but since I don't have a grill at the moment, I decided to bake it. I mean, it's delish, it smells phenomenal, and I can't wait to give a taste test. So I'll see you right back. Okay, friends, now that you know how to make jerk chicken, you've seen how easy it was. I mean, it is incredibly easy. It's delicious, and you should allow it to marinate overnight, or preferably 1 hour should do. But I'm gonna give a little taste. It smells so good, and I am going to rip off a piece. That's what I'm doing now. Take a bite now. It's hot. You'll definitely love it. You can taste certain flavors in there, like the ginger and the garlic. I didn't go heavy on the spice, but you could if you want. Delicious, delicious. Now, give this recipe a try. It's super easy, super delicious. I am planning on making a rice and peas version of Jamaican style recipe. Take a look at that. That will go perfect with this, and you will have a complete dish. So thank you so much once again for joining me. Give this a try. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, and don't forget to share. And I'll see you next time. And in the description box below, I will have everything listed down, including my social media sites. Please do come and check me out over there, and follow me as well over there. So take care, enjoy this. I'll see you later. Take care. Bye bye.